While the App Store is the official way to get apps on iPhone, there are alternatives for apps not available in your region or removed from the store. In this video, we'll show you how to install apps on iPhone without the App Store using IPA files and third-party tools. Part 1. Can you download apps on iPhone without App Store? You can install apps without the App Store, but it comes with risks like expiration and security issues. Methods include sideloading, AltStore, or TestFlight. This video covers the best and safest options. Part 2. Install apps on iPhone without App Store with iOS Transfer. A third-party app installer is a simpler, more stable solution. iOS Transfer lets you manage your iPhone, install apps, and avoid using the App Store or iTunes without overwriting data. How to install apps on iPhone with iOS Transfer. Step 1. Download and install the iOS Transfer tool on your computer. Launch it and connect your iPhone via USB cable. Unlock your iPhone and tap "Trust this computer" when prompted. Wait for the software to detect your device. Step 2. Once your device is recognized, click on the Apps tab in the main interface to view installed applications. Step 3. Click the Install button and select the app file such as an IPA file from your computer to install it on your iPhone. Part 3. Download apps on iPhone without App Store using IPA files. Install Sideloadly or AltStore. Connect your iPhone via USB and trust the computer. Drag the IPA file, sign in, and click Install. Then, go to Settings, VPN, and Device Management. Tap your Apple ID and select Trust. Part 4. Install apps on iPhone from a third-party app store. Open Safari, download the App Store, and install the profile. Launch the App Store, install the app, then trust the certificate in Settings, VPN, and Device Management. Part 5. Install app in iPhone without App Store via Enterprise Certificates. Enterprise certificates allow businesses to install apps without the App Store. Some third-party platforms misuse them for unofficial apps. When used correctly, it's a legitimate method for businesses. Part 6. Download apps on iPhone without App Store via Jailbreaking. Jailbreaking removes Apple's restrictions, letting you install unapproved apps and tweaks. Cydia is a popular manager for installing these apps.